Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. On this video, we are going to be discussing about how to fix Moviebox not working on your phone. So this is how you can be able to do this if it is not working. First of all, you make sure that you have the updated version of Moviebox. If you do not have the updated version, please do well to update it. Now, after updating it, what you're going to do is to head over to settings. Now on the settings, click on the app management. On the app management, click app list. Then you search for Moviebox. Click on it when you find it. Then click permission. Head over to photos and videos. Then make sure that you put always allow all. Head back again, and then you click storage and cache. Now in there, at the bottom, click clear caches. Click on it, and then all the caches will be declared. This will now make Moviebox to work and run smoothly on your phone. So after doing that, you just head back and then you switch off your phone and then on it back, and then everything will be set. Your Moviebox will start working properly. So that is how you can be able to fix this issue. And this comes to the end of this video. Please like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.